Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is Happy Father's Day card. Draw the happy word like this. Now I am using scale and black color sketch pen for this line. Here I am drawing father's word. Draw the F letter like this. This is A letter. Now I am drawing T letter. This is H letter. Now I am using E letter. This is R letter. This is S letter. Draw the S letter like this. Father's Day word was completed. Day word. Draw the day word like this. Now I am using light blue color brush pen. Fill this father's word with light blue color brush pen. This is blue color brush pen. Dark blue color. Here I am drawing father and baby outline. Draw the baby outline like this. I am using dark blue color brush pen for this drawing. Fill this space with dark blue color. If you want, you can use any other color.
Thank you so much for watching.
Now I am
Support
using
me as
radiant color
sharing,
highlighter.
commenting and subscribe.
Draw like this.
Thank you so much for watching.